Kayong dalawa ay nagkasama kayo sa Lovers and Liars. You know, kagabi lang I was watching that scene and you know, you were about to see Lian, the character of Lian.
Yes, po.
And then where you played the sugar daddy. And then in that thing, in Lovers and Liars, you were in love with Lian. Pero you also had a gay lover
Yes, po.
in that material. Ito ang tanong ko sa inyong dalawa. These are challenging, very sensitive roles. Pag tinatanggap niyo ang mga papel na ganito, ano ang consideration? Ikaw, Christian.
Sa akin kasi, Kuya Boy, alam ko naman na andyan naman yung director, andyan naman ang producers, that they will protect the characters.
But aren't you too young to be a sugar daddy? I mean, at least in...
Hindi, it's a character.
It is,
I think
okay.
when I'm there, mukha naman akong matanda eh. So...
No, pero ganito, iniisip mo ba ang mga anak mo? Iniisip mo ba ang partner?
No,
you don't.
no.
You're an actor.
Yes.
You get into that because you're an actor.
Yun na yun eh. Andun na yun eh. You know your character, you read the script, you have the director there, and you know, yun na yun.
Tama.
Yun na yun. Just go to the set.
Binibigay mo ang tiwala.
Pero very very particular ako sa partner ko, kay Lian, kasi syempre babae siya and she's young. So kung may scenes na kailangan ko siyang i-kiss, parang, Lian, please, kung hindi ka comfortable, please tell me because we're not gonna do it. Iniisip ko siya. Kasi ako, wala namang problema sa akin. Lalaki ako eh. So, pangit naman pag, Direk, sorry, hindi ko gagawin to kasi hindi ako komportable.
Pero so, napapag-usapan, there's an art of doing it. Try nga natin. Joke. Ikaw naman. Biro lang. No, but, you know, napapag-usapan. I like what you said, na parang kung hindi ka komportable, sabihin mo, because we can talk to the director.
And it's not parang mahirap for me pag mararamdaman ko na yung partner ko hindi komportable.
Right. Okay.
So, kailangan comfortable kami sa ginagawa na.
Ano ang considerations mo, Kimson? Halimbawa, you play a boy with a gay lover. Do you think about your friends? Do you think about family? Or do you go into work mode?
Actually, ako, Tito Boy, nung nabanggit po sa akin tong project na to, una pong pumasok sa akin is, kaya ko ba? Pero yun nga po, tulad na sabi ni Kuya Christian, when you come to set na naaral mo yung script, alam mo yung gagawin mo. Pagtapak mo ng set, Tito Boy, yun na yun eh. Di mo maisip yung sasabihin na ibang tao. Dahil trabaho to eh, we have to be professional. And thankful po ako kay Lian. Sobrang thankful ako kay Lian. And kay Kuya Christian dahil itong project na to, kumbaga, off-cam, pag nasa waiting area po kami, pinag-uusapan namin. And lagi pong sinasabi sa ni Kuya Christian na yun nga, try mo rin laruin. Try mo laruin yung eksena, huwag mo masyadong isipin. Kumbaga, kung ano yung pagkakaintindi mo, gawin mo.
Ganda ng may ganong relasyon, no? Off-cam, nagkakatulungan.